So if you have a few minutes of your time, I'm going to show you how you can make more money for yourself. Very easy to do. You don't have to stress. You don't have to do so much work. It's absolutely easy. You can make a lot of money every single day. You can do this on your phone or you can do this on your computer. So what you need to know about this is that it's absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this at all. Don't worry about paying anything. It's absolutely free. You can make real money every single day. And I'm going to show you exactly the step-by-step procedure of what you need to do to actually make this money. All you need to do, just watch this video all the way to the end. It's not a long video. Don't worry about that. It's not very long. It's just a very average short video which you can watch and get information. And you just want to follow each step that I will show you. And you're actually going to make a lot of money for yourself. Now, this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're from. You can do this if you're in Africa, Australia, South America, Europe, Asia, everywhere, Australia, it doesn't matter. So before I show you this method, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button, subscribe. It's absolutely free for you to subscribe. It helps me a lot. And just turn on all post notifications. That bell, just click that bell so that anytime I have a new video for you, you're going to get a notification. So let's get on to the video. So the website I want to show you is called Spinbot. It's spinbot.com. What is Spinbot? Spinbot is actually a place where you can type in text, and when you type in text over here, they are going to rewrite the text for you over here, which means that we can actually put an article over here, and then it's actually going to rewrite the whole article over here for us, so it becomes a brand new article. So we don't have to worry about any copyright issues, so it becomes like you wrote this for yourself. So now that we have spinbot.com, I'm going to show you where you can actually get access to articles that you can use. So the second website is called zinearticlescom. zinearticles.com. As you can see over here, zinearticles.com. So this is it over here. So there are articles in different categories: arts and entertainment, business, computers and technology, gaming, home-based business, automotive, cancer, finance, health and fitness, home employment, investing, legal, real estate, news and society. So many different categories, as you can see over here. So we can choose any category we want to focus on. So basically, let's take for example real estate, because real estate has a lot of money. So when we click on real estate, we're going to get to all the categories of real estate over here. So we have 8 tips to keep in mind before you hire an office removal company. What should we expect from real estate in the near future? 4 real estate components which will be impacted. Real estate in Antwerp, upselling home inspections. So let's take for example this one. What should we expect from real estate in the near future? So when we click on that, we're going to get onto the whole article itself. As we can see here, how might this pandemic alter the real estate market in the period following the reopening of our economy? Will sellers expect less and change the expectations in terms of price, etc.? So let's do this. We're going to take this entire article. Let's copy the article. So you want to copy it from the first word down until here. Copy that. So once we have copied our article, we're going to go back onto Spinbot, and then you want to paste. You want to make sure you remove this article source. So we have here the whole article, and we can see that we have a maximum of 10,000 that you can put, and we currently have 6,790. So what you want to do over here, just click on I am not a robot. Okay, so since it's done that, so you want to click on go. So when you click on go, you're going to see that when you scroll down here to written text, it's going to have the entire article rewritten for you. So I'm going to show you. Check this out. So when we have here on the first part, it says, how might this pandemic affect the real estate market in the period following the reopening of our economy? With the rewritten version, it's going to say, in what capacity may this pandemic influence the land market in the period following the resuming of our economy? As you can see, it's all rewritten. Will sellers expect less and change their expectations in terms of price, etc.? Over here we have, will merchants anticipate less and change their desires regarding cost and so forth? So as you can see, it's really awesome, and it's become a brand new article that you have written for yourself. So you can experiment with this, choose any article you want. So I'm going to show you exactly where you can actually sell your articles. So the next website we're going to go to is called Conquer. It's conquer.io. Now Conquer is a platform where you can sell different items, you can sell different digital products. So when you're on Conquer, you're going to see over here, you want to click on SEO. So when you click on SEO, you're going to see a different list of categories over here. So you want to make sure that you click on site creation. No, content creation. Make sure you click on content creation, because an article is a content creation. So you want to make sure that you click on content creation. And when you're on content creation, you're going to get over here and you can see different kinds of things, different things that you can see with different prices and so on. So let's check something over here. So since we want to actually focus on an article, we want to do something very specific. For example, here, publish and write 1,000 unique words article guest post on wn.com, DA, blah, blah, blah. They're going to pay $55. Someone says, I will write and publish an article on WN, $15. Set up instant articles with WordPress account, $15. So people are doing different things and they're actually going to pay different amounts of money. So you can actually, what you want to do is you want to create an account on Conquer, and then you want to start selling. And when you start selling, you want to post a post saying that, hey, you create an article for someone and you want to charge them maybe $10 or $15. You want to check the amounts that people are actually charging, different prices. Someone is doing $19 on an article on health and fitness. So you want to maybe make it $15, $10. You want to keep it at an average range so that people actually consider choosing you instead of people with higher prices. So, and you can make different posts, maybe saying that you will do an article on business, depending on what you can see on the zinearticlescom. You can tell them that you will do an article on gaming, on computers and technology, on cancer, on finance, on home and family, on insurance, investing, on real estate. You can make different posts, and you can see that you're going to make a lot of money for yourself, because people will always be clicking on your ad because they are interested in what you're saying, based on your price might be more reasonable than the neighbor. Maybe somebody's saying $50 or $20, but yours will be saying $15. So you want to make different posts with different topics of articles that you publish, and people are actually going to give you a lot of money, and you can make a lot of money, hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single day. So the second website I want to show you is SEO Clerks, seoclerks.com. When you're over here, it's basically another platform where you can actually sign up as well. You just want to sign up and create an account, and then you want to do the same thing you did on conquer.io. You just want to promote your ad, telling them that you're going to actually provide articles, and you can do different prices. So SEO Clerks is also another platform that you can use for yourself. Now, if you don't want to go through the procedure of choosing an article on zinearticles and then going on to Spinbot to actually rewrite it, there's another website that you can use called copyrightfreecontent.com. They provide articles on different topics. For example, over here, topics: arts and entertainment, books, business, career, computers, entertainment, family, fashion. So many different articles that you can choose from for yourself. The website is actually copyrightfreecontent.com. So you can just come over here and you can just choose an article, and then you can sell that article for yourself. But what I prefer, I really like using this method with Spinbot, because it makes it as if it's your own, and it's very relevant because it's as if you are the one that actually wrote this and nobody else wrote this. It rewrites every single thing for you. For example, let's check again how it has rewritten this. Sellers and buyers, expectations, comfort zone, flexibility, etc. How many homeowners might decide to downsize in order to have more immediate monies available for emergencies? So when we come over here, merchants, purchases, desires, safe place, adaptability, and so forth. What number mortgage holders may choose to downsize so as to have more prompt monies accessible for crisis? Can you see how great this is? So if you want to take my advice, use this Spinbot method. It's absolutely awesome. Or you can even actually just go onto copyrightfreecontent.com, choose an article, but still go back onto Spinbot and just reword it for yourself. It just makes it your own. And then you want to go onto either conquerio or seoclerks.com and sell it, and just sell it out there. And trust me, if you get even 5 people every day to buy it, you make yourself some money. It's so easy to do. You're not stressing, you're not doing so much work. It's very easy for you to do. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button. I would really appreciate it, and turn on the post notifications. Click that bell so that you'll receive a notification when I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you. Comment any questions that you have in the comment section below. Cheers.